Moi kaikki! In this video, we will go over the word vai. Vai. So my previous video was about the difference between the Finnish words tai and vai. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I suggest going and checking that out now. This video focuses on other uses of the word vai. So situations in Finnish where vai might pop up and it doesn't mean or. The first situation is that sometimes in Finnish you can end your sentences using the word vai to make it into a certain type of question, usually asking for a type of feedback from the listener. An example of this would be, puhuitko mulle vai? Usually it's kind of left hanging, where it's kind of left as a question like vai. So in English this would kind of translate, okay, it would translate to or, but it's more like you're not giving this or this option, it's like or question mark at the end of the sentence. So, puhuitko mulle vai is kind of like translating to, are you speaking to me? Or, like, or speaking to someone else. Did I hear it correctly? You're referring to me. Puhuitko mulle vai? Or someone could say, luulin, että me lähetään vai? So that would translate to, I thought we were going, or are we staying, or are we not going, or what are we doing? So luulin, että me lähetään vai? So here again it's translating, I guess, to or question mark. Multa loppui rahat. Loppu vai? That's kind of like translating to, I ran out of money. Multa loppu rahat. Loppu vai? Oh, did you? Oh, did you? Oh, did you run out of money? Loppu vai? So it's kind of like a question mark, like, oh, really? So using vai as the last part of your sentence kind of indicates a question, like, loppu vai? Luulin, et me lähetään vai? Puhuitko mulle vai? So you can kind of think of it as or question mark at the end of a sentence, or if you're saying things like, loppu vai? It's kind of like, oh, did you? Oh, really? There are also two short standalone phrases I want to teach you that include the word vai. The first one is vai niin. You maybe have heard of this before. Vai niin. Vai niin. Vai niin translates to something like I see, I understand, asia selvä. Vai niin. It can be negative and it can also be positive. It can be used in a sarcastic way as well. But let's go over a few examples. So for example, if someone were to come up to you and say, mä en pääsekään tänään. I can't come today after all. Mä en pääsekään tänään. Then you could reply with, vai niin. Like, oh well, okay, I see. It sounds a bit disappointed. Vai niin? Or if someone comes back from the shop and tells you, oh, unohdin ostaa kahvia kaupasta. Unohdin ostaa kahvia kaupasta. Vai niin? Like, okay, I see, I understand, all right. Vai niin? Or it doesn't necessarily have to be so kind of negative. If someone comes up and is like, oh, Suomi voitti eilen jääkiekon mestaruuden. Vai niin? Like, oh, all right, I see. Okay, gotcha. Vai niin? It can be used like that as well. So that's kind of how I would explain vai niin. Another short phrase where you can use the word vai is vai mitä, which translates to, right? Isn't it? So for example, if someone said, Suomi on paras jääkiekossa, vai mitä? It would translate to, Finland is the best at hockey, right? Isn't it? Don't you think so too? So you're kind of asking the listener to agree with you on what you've just said. Suomi on paras jääkiekossa, vai mitä? And then you'd be like, no ei ole, which is like, well, no, it's not. Or you could be like, no totta kai on. Well, of course it is. Vai mitä? Isn't it, right? I'm right? Okay, seuraava example is, Me lähdetään seuraavalla bussilla. Vai mitä, Kati? So that translates to, we are leaving on the next bus. Isn't that right, Kati? Vai mitä, Kati? Isn't that right, Kati? Right? You're asking Kati to confirm your statement that you've just said. Isn't that right, what I just said, Kati? Vai mitä, Kati? Me lähdetään seuraavalla bussilla. Vai mitä, Kati? Vai mitä? So those are a few other uses of the word vai. If you see it pop up in Finnish from time to time, then hopefully now you will understand the meaning of that word. Kiitos kun katsoitte tämän videon ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!